Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Today we'll demonstrate on Mercedes E-Class W211 guys, if you have one of those. And if you're trying to find the fuse for the driver's side window guys, we'll show you where the fuse is located and what actually the problem is with those. So this is the door, and all the controls, all the buttons are controlled by computer inside the door. So unfortunately you will not have a fuse for the windows only. The fuse is for the whole door, for the whole assembly. The fuse controls the power mirror, the seat, as you can see, the windows, and the trunk release as well. So stay with us, I'm gonna show you which fuse is that one, so you know, in case you need to replace it. But if the fuse goes bad, usually none of those will work. So that fuse is located right here, it's under that cover. Okay, so we're going to pop this one open now. Okay, just like that. We have a special video where all the fuses are located on that Mercedes as well. So if you want to see, you can check it out there as well. It doesn't have the fuse diagram here, so now we need to show you which one it is. Okay guys, so right here next to the fuses you can see the numbers. Okay, F033, okay, this is 33, it's supposed to be 30 amp fuse, that's the one for the door. Okay, for power windows, power mirrors, everything. So you just grab and pull that one out. Okay, and you know how to check a fuse. If that thing is not broken inside, it's in good condition. And you can actually test them with voltmeter as well. Okay, and this one is good, so we have no problem with the fuse. Another thing, the door computers don't go bad often unless they get wet. Most likely it's the window switch right here. That one causes a lot of trouble because people will get those wet, leave the window open, they'll get wet, or when they detail them they get them wet and they go bad. Not very expensive. We have a video guys how to remove and replace this one if you need to on our channel, so please feel free to check it out. Alright guys, so that will be all. Thank you guys for watching, please subscribe and let's grow the channel together. See you. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels guys, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching, see you guys next time.